The Philippines improved its ranking in the 2021 Global Health Security Index, or GHSI, released by the Nuclear Threat Initiative and the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security at the Bloomberg School of Public Health. We are ranked 57th out of 195 countries, 4-notch improvement from the 2019 ranking. According to the report, and I quote, only 37% of countries have made public commitment to share surveillance data, and only 5 countries, which include the Philippines, made commitments to share data specifically for COVID-19. End of quote. Samantala, nakikiramay po kami sa pamilya, kasamahan sa trabaho, at mahal sa buhay ni Jesus Jess Malabanan. Iniimbestigahan na po ito ng mga otoridad. They are exploring all angles, including the possibility that the killing was related to his work as a journalist. The government will exert all efforts to ensure that those responsible are caught, charged, and convicted for this crime.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.